हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एसी के बारे में, जो एयर कंडीशनर कूलिंग होता है। इसके बारे में आज हम जानेंगे, इसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानेंगे, ये क्या सीन है, ये कब लॉन्च हुआ है। ये वीडियो दो पार्ट पे मुकम्मल होगी। एयर कंडीशन ऑफ्टन abbreviated as ACUS or air con UK is the process of removing heat from an enclosed space to achieve a more comfortable interior environment, sometimes referred to as comfort cooling, and in some cases also strictly in controlling the humidity of internal air. Air conditioning can be achieved using a medical air conditioner or by other methods including passive cooling and ventilative cooling. Air conditioning is a member of a family of systems and technique that provide heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC heat pumps are similar in many ways to air conditioner, but use a reversing valve to allow them both to heat and to cool and enclosed space. ये आप एसी की तस्वीरें देख सकते हैं। ये राइट साइड पे एयर कंडीशनर विच टाइपिकली यूज वेपर compression, refrigeration, range in size from small unit used in vehicles and single room to massive unit that can cool large building. Air source heat pumps, which can be used for heating as well as cooling, are becoming increasingly common in cooler climates. According to the International Energy Agency IEA, as of the 2018, 1.6 billion air conditioner units were installed, which accounted for an estimated 20% of electricity using in building globally, with the number expected to grow to 5.6 billion by 250. The United Nations called on the technology to be made more sustainable to mitigate climate change and for the use of alternative like passive cooling, evaporative cooling, selective shading, wind catcher, and better thermal insulation (CFC and HCFC). Refrigerator such as R12 and R22 respectively used within air conditioner have caused damage to the ozone layer, and HFC refrigerators such as 410A and 404A, which were designed to replace CFCs and HCFCs, are instead exacerbating climate change. What issues happen due to the venting of refrigerant to the atmosphere, such as during repair. HFO refrigerants used in some, if not most, new equipment solve both issues with an ozone damage potential ODP of 0 and a much lower global warming potential GWP in the single or double digit vs the 3 or 4 digits of HFCs. तो इसी पर हम अपनी वीडियो मुकम्मल करते हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में और न्यू लेंथ फार्मेशन के बारे में